If your child loves animals and is learning to draw, this is a lovely place to start. Trace and Color Farm Animals is designed for ages 3 to 6, using cute farm animals with simple dotted tracing lines. Children trace the animal, add their own details, and then color it in, helping build pencil control, hand-eye coordination, and early drawing confidence. The pages are large, clear, and frustration-free, making it perfect for quiet time, preschool practice, or screen-free learning at home. I've linked it in the comments if you want to take a look.